there we are. See how easy and clean that is to remove? So, here's the bathtub. Let's open up the membrane that protects the bathtub. Talk about the membrane, talk about how this will help to protect a bathtub. Best method out there right now. Here we go. Let's show you up close. So what we're gonna do, open up that membrane, talk about how this helps to protect this tub during tile installation. Remodeling a bath and shower. A lot of tools are involved with tiling walls around the bathtub. A lot of different methods to protect it, but we feel this is the best possible method out right now. Let's open the box and show you what we're working with here. Here we go. This is what we're working with here. As you can see, scratch protection, 1 gallon. They sell this in 5 gallons as well. Keep in mind, this is definitely not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. This is just simply the best, quickest, easiest method to protect your bathtub when installing a tile tub surround. Rather than using plastic, cardboard, drop cloths. Let's open this up and paint it on this tub. Here we go. So this is what's included. You've got your membrane here, scratch protection, includes their brochure. They have a lot of different types of surface protection products. Includes some blue tape, that's about it. All right, let's show you how this works. We'll paint the membrane on this bathtub, show you how it paints on, show you how it cures, and show you how you peel it off, and most importantly, talk about the benefits of protecting a bathtub like this when installing so that you don't ding it, scratch it, nick it. It's a small investment to pay in order to protect your bathtub whilst installing. So here's the brochure. Thickest, toughest protection against scratches, nicks, and abrasions. So a few things that you need. The tape that it came with, a cheap $2 throwaway paintbrush, and a pair of gloves. Let's go. All right, let's tape the perimeter of the tub. Now this isn't your typical blue tape that you find at your big box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot. This is a very thick PVC tape. All right guys, let's open it up, get right to it, show you how this works. There we are. Your disposable brush. Now this stuff is really thick. Looks like a waterproofing membrane, Aqua Defense, Red Guard, but much thicker than that. And it peels off really easy. Here we go. All right, well, there is your final product. Again, it's wet right now. We're gonna let this set up, dry, and show you how you easily peel and remove this membrane, protective membrane, from this bathtub. Well, there you have it. This 1 gallon will cover and protect about 2 to 3 bathtubs. Again, spending that small $20 to protect, to give you peace of mind, to quickly spend 10 minutes to paint it on and 30 seconds to peel it right off is well worth it. We'll let this set up and dry and show you how it removes. Super simple to remove. You peel and pull it right off. We'll show you how that goes right now. Well, here you guys go. This is fairly easy material to work with. You paint it on, you peel it off. I'll show you up close how it peels off. But again, it protects the tub from nicks, dings, dents, any kind of damage that comes with remodeling a bathtub tiled surround. Let's show you up close here. We'll start with this corner here to peel off. Again, you've got your PVC tape here. Remove the tape. See how easy and clean that is to remove? And there we go. Super duper easy to peel off. I mean, it's just plastic. Very thick plastic to protect your tub. Right here, let's show you. As you can see, there's a little bit of residue here. Again, when you're installing tile, you cover up this flange, so that's not a big deal. Around the drain, this stuff is super duper easy to peel off. But there it is. We'll show you in the light here. A very thick plastic protection when remodeling a bath tub surround. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to protect a bathtub during a bath and shower remodel. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.